Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Fort is probably one of the most versatile and imaginative toys a child can have, offering endless possibilities for creative play and adventure right in their own home. It's more than just a play structure, it's a canvas for storytelling, a secret hideaway, and a launchpad for countless imaginative journeys that can keep children engaged for hours on end. Whether it's a cozy reading nook, a mighty castle, or a spaceship ready for blast-off, a well-chosen fort can transform a child's room into a world of wonder and exploration, fostering crucial developmental skills along the way. Number 5. Obuby Kids Fort Building Kit 120 Pieces. Introducing our ultimate fort building kit, featuring 120 pieces including sticks and connector balls. It's everything your child needs to construct amazing forts of any shape or size. Designed for children aged 3 and up, this kit sparks creativity. They can build caves, play tents, rockets, castles, and so much more. Just add a blanket for a perfect hideaway. Building is a breeze with our easy-to-connect sticks and balls that twist together in seconds. Made from durable plastic, these structures are stable and simple to take apart, perfect for indoor and outdoor adventures. This kit is perfect for encouraging collaborative play and problem-solving. Watch as children work together to design and build unique structures, fostering creativity and imagination. Looking for a unique gift? This construction toy set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. It provides hours of educational and engaging fun for boys and girls alike. We are committed to providing high-quality products. Your satisfaction is our top priority, so you can be confident in your purchase of this engaging and educational toy. What we like. This kit offers a massive 120 pieces, providing endless possibilities for your child's imagination. It's designed for flexible STEM fun, encouraging creativity and problem-solving. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that's easy for kids to assemble and offers a wide range of building options, this is a fantastic choice for indoor and outdoor adventures. What people say. This is a great toy for kids to build their own fort. The pieces are easy to connect and disconnect, making it simple for children to assemble and disassemble their creations. It encourages creativity and imagination as kids can design and build different structures. Number 4. Tiny Land Fort Building Kit. Introducing the Tiny Land Fort Building Kit, a fun and engaging way for kids to explore their creativity. This kit provides endless possibilities for building and imaginative play. With 86 rods and 44 balls, this kit is perfect for constructing forts, tunnels, and castles. It's an easy-to-assemble STEM toy that encourages problem-solving and collaboration. Turn family time into an adventure. Build caves, rockets, or houses together, fostering creativity and strengthening bonds. This DIY kit promises hours of entertainment for the whole family. Surprise your little ones with a gift that inspires. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion, offering a unique building experience. Crafted with safety in mind, our kit meets rigorous testing standards. The durable poles and elastic balls ensure a secure and long-lasting playtime experience for your children. Discover our range of building kits, including a special luminous version. Tiny Land is dedicated to providing the perfect creative outlet for every child. What we like. With 86 rods and 44 balls, this kit provides a solid foundation for building impressive structures. It promises endless fun for the whole family and is built with trusted quality and safety standards. If you want a durable and engaging building experience that encourages family bonding, this is the perfect option. What people say. The fort building kit is easy to assemble and provides hours of creative fun for kids. The sturdy rods and connectors allow for various fort designs, encouraging problem-solving skills. The lightweight pieces are safe for children and can be used both indoors and outdoors. Number 3. Tiny Land Glow Fort Building Kit. Introducing the Tiny Land Glow Fort Building Kit, a 130-piece set designed for endless creative fun. It includes 44 balls and 86 glow-in-the-dark rods for magical playtime. Simply expose the glow-in-the-dark rods to light for 15 to 30 minutes to charge them. The longer they absorb light, the brighter they glow, creating an enchanting experience. Let your child's creativity soar. They can build caves, tunnels, rockets, tents, forts, and houses. The possibilities are truly endless for indoor and outdoor adventures. This kit is perfect for family playtime, encouraging teamwork and social skills. It's a fantastic way for parents to bond with their children while fostering imagination and problem solving. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational tool that enhances spatial awareness and hand-eye coordination. Enjoy screen-free fun that keeps kids engaged and learning. Looking for a unique gift? This high-quality and safe fort building kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. It's sure to spark joy and imagination. What we like. This kit stands out with its glow-in-the-dark rods, creating a truly magical playtime experience after dark. It's designed for inspired learning, enhancing imagination and spatial awareness. If you're looking for a unique fort-building experience that adds an element of wonder and encourages creative, screen-free fun, this is an excellent gift. What people say. The fort is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for storage and transport. The sturdy construction ensures the fort can withstand vigorous play. The included instructions are clear and concise, guiding users through the setup process efficiently. Number 2. Creative Connect Fort Building Kit. Introducing the ultimate fort building kit for endless creative fun. It's designed for easy assembly and disassembly, ensuring your creations stay strong. With 140 pieces, including magic balls, rods, and connectors, you can build anything you imagine. Create caves, castles, rockets, and more, just add a blanket for the perfect hideaway. This construction toy enhances STEM skills, improving imagination, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. It's a fantastic way for children to learn teamwork and cooperation. Looking for a gift for kids aged 4 to 12? This kit is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for indoor play on any day. Made from premium, safe ABS plastic, this toy set meets US toy safety standards. We offer a 180-day refund or replacement policy for any quality issues. What we like. Boasting 140 pieces and a Creative Connect system, this kit makes building easy and secure. You can build absolutely anything you imagine, from caves to rockets. If you want a robust set that's simple to assemble, supports sheets well, and comes with a guide for building confidence, this is an ideal choice for hours of creative construction. What people say. The fort is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for storage and transport. The sturdy construction ensures the fort remains stable even during active play. Multiple connection points allow for creative building configurations, fostering imagination and problem-solving skills. Number 1. National Geographic Indoor Fort Building Kit. Unleash your creativity with this epic fort building kit. With 225 pieces, you can construct indoor forts in endless configurations for hours of fun. Building is a breeze thanks to our innovative FlexTech hubs. They hold the poles securely and flex, allowing you to create tents, castles, and more. Our sturdy poles and flexible hubs are designed for dynamic structures. Plus, the included clips make it easy to add sheets or blankets to complete your fort. Start with step-by-step instructions in the building guide to learn how to connect pieces. You'll be building with confidence in no time, ready to design your own creations. We are committed to providing high-quality, hands-on science toys that inspire learning. Enjoy exceptional service with your purchase. What we like. This is the ultimate fort building set with an incredible 225 pieces for epic creations. Its unique bendable pieces make building incredibly easy and allow for dynamic structures. If you're looking for a kit that offers the most building potential, encourages advanced designs, and can grow with your child's skills, this Amazon exclusive is the top-tier option. What people say. The fort building kit includes 51 rods and 29 balls, allowing for a variety of structures. The pieces connect easily and securely, making it simple for children to build and rebuild. The rods and connectors are made of durable plastic, ensuring long-lasting play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.